Mug warmer, coffee warmer, cup warmer with auto shut-off 25-watt electric beverage warmer. Maintains temperatures up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit 55 degrees centigrade. Mug warmer for safely used for office home. Intelligent auto on and off thanks to the microgravity technology. This coffee warmer can shut off on auto. Put mug on automatic heat zone. The cup warmer will work. Remove mug, the warmer plate will turn to stop heating. Mug not included. Maintain optimal temperature. This mug warmer can turn hot water into warm water and heat cold water. Keep or warm up the liquid temperature to as high as 131.55, suitable for tableware, metal, ceramic, enamel, tile, high temperature plastic, glassware, etc. Flat bottom cup isbetter to keep warm. Durable material, waterproof design. This 55 degrees electric mug warmer pad has a smooth black finish and is made out of durable plastic on the outside ring. With 4 non-skid feet at the bottom to help support your mug and prevent spills.The mug warmer for desk have waterproof panel is adopted without need for security concern, as you just need to dry it with a rag. Safe and reliable, using high-tech POLYIMIDEPL film as mug warm heating surface. It keeps cup warmer heat resistant and fire resistant. It has 16W low power heat focusing, allowing it to evenly warm beverages while remaining safe and stable. Please don't expect coffee warmer as a heater or keep your coffee super hot. Life of up to 100,000 hours. Best gift choice. Keep the BEVRAGS coffee, tea, milk, etc. warm whole day, making it a great gift for friend, family, colleague and all your loved ones Thanksgiving and Christmas and other special occasions to express your sincere care. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.